previous lecture we learned about the Cramer's rules, means how to find the Cramer's rules and their equations. Okay, so we have to solve an example of Cramer's rules in practice set 1.3. Here the students in practice set 1.3. Question number 3. Solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule or a method. Okay, so method we have to apply to solve the example. So example is given 3x minus 4y is equal to 10, and another equation is 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. Okay, we have to solve this equation by using Cramer's rule. First equation is 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. You have to compare this equation with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. This is the standard form of the Cramer's rules, and we have to compare this equation to this. So what is the value of a? A value is a1 value is 3. b1 value is minus 4 because this sign is minus, and constant c1 value is 10. Similarly, another equation 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. We also compare this equation to a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So what is the value of a2? a2 value is 4, b2 value is 3, and c2 value is 5. Okay. After finding the value of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2, apply the determinant. So what is the determinant D? What is the value of that? Determinant D is equal to a1, a2, b1, b2. We already find the value of a1, a2, b1 and b2. This value we have to put in this determinant and solve the determinant. So what is the value of a1? a1 value is 3, a2 value is 4, and b1 value is minus 4, and b2 value is 3. So the students, here we have to solve this determinant. So we will just do the cross multiplication of that. Cross multiplication 3 into 3 minus, we have to solve determinants, minus 4 into 4. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, and minus plus. So 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. This is the value of the determinant D. Similarly, we have to find the dx, determinant x. Here the students, what is the formula for that? C1, C2, B1, B2. Put the value of this in formula. C1 value is 10, C2 value is 5, B1 value is minus 4, B2 value is 3. Again students, we have to solve this determinant. So we do a cross multiplication of that. So 10 into 3 minus 4 into 5, 10 3s are 30, plus 5 4s are 20, and minus plus. So 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. Okay, we have to find the determinant dx and also find the d. We have to find the value of dy, determinant y. So what is the equation of that? Is a1, a2, c1, c2. Put the value in this determinant. a1 value is 3, a2 value is 4, c1 value is 10, and c2 value is 5. Again students, we have to solve this determinant by using formula 3 into 5 minus 10 into 4. 5 3s are 15 into 10 4s are 40. Here the students answer is 15 minus 40, answer is minus 25, because sign of a bigger number. Okay, apply the Cramer's rules. We have to find the value of the x variable. So x is equal to dx upon d. Value of the determinant dx upon d. Determinant. Okay. What is the value of dx? We already find that is the 50 upon d value is the 25. We put in the formula dx upon d. 50 upon 25. The answer is 2. First 25 on the 1, 25 2s are 50. So answer is 2. Similarly for y variable dy upon d. What is the value of dy? Dy value is a minus 25 and the determinant d value is a 25. So 25, we divided 25 1 the 1, 25 was 1, and because the sign is a negative, so answer is a negative. So the students, we have to find the value of x variable is 2 and y variable is minus 1. So we coordinates are the x and y coordinates are the 2 and minus 1 is the solution. Okay students, we have to use the Cramer's rule and solve the example. Thank you.